So, I just finished my online class, and in the middle of my online class, I saw my husband that he went down to the garage. So, I asked him, "What are you doing?" And I think he doing something in my motorcycle. And let's check what he's doing there, because I don't think that my motorcycle is kaput or broken. So he might doing something that might surprise me. So let's go down and let's check what he's doing. Come on. That's so cute. So let's go and check. I'm here. Hallo, was machst du?
I'm installing this automatic oiler.
Aha. Was for? Before?
Then it will also oil the chain automatic.
Okay. You will not make it kaput.
No, hopefully not.
You sure? Look, she loves to do workout mechanic, even though that he doesn't have any idea what he's doing. What he did is he just watch it from the YouTube, and then he applied it to our motorcycle. And so that is my motorcycle RR, which is you always send him in every video. And this is his motorcycle Fabi. Hi nako baby love
Can
love.
you get out this plier there? Because see,
Was ist das?
I think there's a plier in there. Yeah.
Ach so. Yeah. And that is our Fabi. Yes, Fabi. So, check that motorcycle here. Yeah. They are all beautiful and big. And also there. Check, 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 check. So, for how long you were going to do that?
Maybe 10 minutes.
And why you are not using any working bed or whatever is like that they do it normally in the workshop?
What should I use?
You know, like they have like a bed or something, like this rolling bed that they can just slide on there.
That is for the car. For the motorcycle.
Yeah, you can do also.
For the motorcycle, normally you have more a high stand, so you can put it like a table to put it on. But I don't have this.
But then you're making my life complicated, because I am the one who washing all your clothes, and then it's all dirty, and then it's really hard to remove this grease, you know.
I will make your life easy because the chain is oil. Or no, because I already did this before. It's oil
And
is
what
oil.
exactly is that?
That will deliver the oil to the chain.
Okay. It will not damage, huh? Or make my life in danger while driving this one. Okay, so maybe you were thinking what is this all about. So when you are still a learner and you are not getting your license yet, you have to put this behind your motorcycle or in your car, which is every time I drive, then I must put this L. So that will be a vague or a way when I already passed my license exam, which is really complicated. And maybe I will do it next year. In a motorcycle, I can still drive without someone behind me, which is, like a person you can ride behind. But then I can ride with Fabian because Fabian have a motorcycle license. He's the only person that can sit behind me. And but in the car, yes, I'm allowed to drive with a person that have 3 years license already in Switzerland. They are really complicated here, but then it's make your life safer. Okay, baby, don't make my motorcycle kaput.
Okay.
Like, I wanted to put the babaeng lagawan here or Pinay rider somewhere here, but I will do that when we move already in our new place because I need the big printer to print, which is our space is so small. Then I decided that our printer will be in the cellar or in the basement, so it will not occupy so much space, but then we have enough space in our new place, so maybe I will print it soon, and I will wanted to put this babaeng lagawan Pinay rider in Europe. Anyway, I will go up if you're hungry.
Yeah,
And
I will
then-
come up. We are thinking around 10 minutes.
Okay, don't make my motorcycle kaput, huh? Okay, huh? Hello. So, that is my husband. He loved to do these kinds of work, even though that that is not his field, but he loved to do it.